Great to see you here. My name is Luc de Koster, founder of the Koster Academy, and I welcome you again to one of our new videos related to statistics and data collection. In this video, I will talk about data measurement levels. We're looking at different elements about data, how we can order the data, and what is important about these data. But before we start, do not forget to click the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about this. Data measurements levels, we have different levels that we can consider. First of all, we have nominal data. So this is basically the lowest form of a data set, and it only contains equalities, only numbers. Then we have ordinal data. We also call them rank data, and here these data we can order from low to high, and they can contain equalities and inequalities. The next level are the interval data, and here we have distance between data that can be measured, and the data have ordinal properties. So we're looking at intervals, and we're putting the measurements in specific intervals, a starting point and an ending point. And we looked at this when we were putting, for example, the data from the measurements, the speed measurements of the cars, when we put them into a bar chart or into another representation where we were in fact looking at those different intervals. The last element are what we call the ratio data, and these have the same characteristics as interval data, but they also have a true 0 point. So basically we have those four levels that we can consider, and let's look at some overview with some examples of these different. First, we have what we call the nominal data. For example, people are married, single, divorced, or some other category. We have categorical codes, there are ID numbers, and there are category names that we can consider. Then we have the ordinal data, for example, level of incomes. We have a ranking of categories, and we have those ordered categories that we can determine. The last element are what we call the ratio interval data, and here we look at, for example, differences or weights. We have weights, temperatures, and other parameters that we are measuring. So basically this is the overview of the data measurements levels and how we can use them, what are the different possibilities that we will use later when we are dealing with raw data. How will we treat them, and how will we create from the raw data using the different tools, information, an overview of information. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much. And before leaving, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time there is a new video, YouTube will inform you about this. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.